No, yeah, hey, that's how you break it in. That's how you break in a brand new freaking bike, bro. Woo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Lies, AK Motor, bro. We're about to meet up with some homies. What's good, bro? How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Chilling. Bro, this thing looks sick though, bro. Does it ride like a R6 or does it
like it sits like an R6, but the power is more like this.
Like the SZ?
It's smoother on the bottom than the SZ.
Oh.
It's definitely smoother. And I only have 100 miles. I don't want to abuse it.
She got 100 miles on it?
So she's like a little worried. Yeah, we've been just ripping around Orlando.
Bro, she got 99.
99?
Not even 100, bro.
Next mile will be a wheelie.
Yeah, next mile in the wheelie. Let's see what he got on this. Let's see what you got. Okay. I hit the horn. Woo! Woo! You crazy on that bike. God damn, bro. No, yeah, hey, that's how you break it in. That's how you break in a brand new freaking bike, bro. I don't know why they're at this lot though. I feel like the other lot's way better. Oh my god, oh my god.
I love that sticker, man.
Big for video.
That's what I tell everybody.
Oh my god. Hey, did you say you're not gonna let me ride that? I'm about to say, let me ride it, please, bro. Please. Just for the video. I'm not gonna mess it up. If I mess it up, I'll pay for it. Well,
be careful.
He's out here shredding it.
Don't touch
Nah, bro, I ain't even gonna lift it up past like.
How you dirt bike guys get?
I do got some of those scrapes. What do I do?
You this is the go button for the spaceship.
Spaceship go button, all right.
We'll put it in neutral for you.
Little head bump.
There it goes. You know the drill. You know what to do.
So we're currently on the R7. As y'all know, I'm always like, yo, screw big bikes. You'll never see me on an R6 or F07. And I'm sort of feeling the same way, but I want to try this out. So.
Alright. Hey, you look good on that thing. You sure you're not a sport bike guy?
I'm not a sport bike guy. He stalled out. Hey, why are you stalling? Bro, this is so crazy. Like, even just like the position, I'm like hanging over like this and shit. I'm used to riding up. Hey, you bring it up in second?
First or second's fine too.
Second, yeah. Man, don't feel bad at all, bro, to be honest. Like R6, like the way R6 rides is way more like aggressive for me. Like this. Look at that, bro. I'm bringing up an R7 right now. This is a big bike. Bro, like look how big it is, dude. It's just so much room for like, I don't know.
Oh yeah, you look good.
That one felt good, bro. Yo, these bikes, it rides way different than the R6. Like,
oh yeah.
Just the throttle response and everything.
Yeah, it's totally different.
I like it way better.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I'm excited. Sport bike bro.
I'm gonna be a sport bike rider. I'm gonna be a sport bike rider, dude. It's gonna happen. All right, let's lift. I shifted into third on that one, bro. Thank you, bro, for real. My first impression is like, I like I can pop it up, bro. Like R6, I can't pop it up like that.
Not like that.
Hell no, bro. It's just too like, yeah, it's like, it feels like a dirt bike in a sport bike.
Yeah.
Like the throttle response. Let's see some work.
I was looking for you to show me some work.
All right. I'll do some work. Say less. Alright, pull it out. I want to see you. Brand new R7, dude. Let's go. Woo! Yo, he went like, he hit a little swerve around that thing, bro. Oh my gosh. We got that direct injected 110. And it's bored up, right?
No, it's just bone stock.
Oh, bone stock? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, bro, we're on a 110. As y'all know, I'm a 50 guy. I like riding the 50. The 110 is definitely a vibe. Like, oh my god, dude, this is so smooth. Oh my god, dude, this thing is. Dude, look at this thing. Oh, I might have to get a 110, bro. I might have to get a 110. Dude, I didn't know they, like, the 110, how they changed the frame and stuff. Like, it feels like a 50, but just smooth as hell. Yo, dude, this thing, it's so smooth. So fun. That's a 110. The 110s are sick, bro. Yes, sir. Woo, swerving on that little 110. Going to the knee knocker. Yes, sir. Bro, look how clean that R7 looks, bro. That thing is freaking pretty, bro. It's so smooth.
Bro, that fuel injection is a big thing on these things. You know, I had a carbureted one before.
Yeah.
But man, this one's so smooth.
It makes such a big difference.
I did all the bigger suspension, the BBR and the rear slick 110 rear shocks.
No, yeah.
PK triple.
This is a neighborhood ripper right here, bro. It's so quiet, like. Stay, bike. Alright, I'm gonna hop on the. I'm hopping on the new R7.
Careful if there's ain't much seat there.
Dude, I've never been on the back of a sport bike, bro. I don't even know how to get on.
Just step on that peg, it'll be all good.
Oh, that's the wrong peg. Alright, we're on the back of
We'll give you a hell ride, but we won't.
No, don't. I'm holding on here. No, yeah. I was just saying this lot is a little like a bigger. It's a little better, but
In the middle, right?
yeah, the one right after.
Yeah, there's still basically just a whole bunch of random people riding this one. No one ever really cares. But people lately haven't been here, but these are a lot of car marks.
That's what I was saying. I feel like cars be coming back here drifting.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna hop in the Segway. I'm gonna leave the helmet on, YOLO. All right, we're in the Subi, as y'all seen. I got my gloves, bro. I feel like I'm in a race car right now, dude. I'm doing nose wheelies. I'm definitely not doing it, but I'm gonna film it. Bro, they went like, I went up to like 5th gear just to keep up with them. Let's go! Yes, sir! Brand new R7, bro. That's how he's breaking it in.
Alright, man.
Hey, ride safe.
Yes, sir. I'll try.
Yeah, do something epic when you leave. Hey, later, bro. Alrighty, gang, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Shout out to homie Twin Stunts for bringing out that R7. I was surprised, bro. Like, it really rode completely different than an R6. It really reminded me of a dirt bike and a sport bike frame, pretty much. Like, I've never wheelied a sport bike that good besides like FZ07, and it pretty much feels just like an FZ07. I don't really feel a difference, but I don't really ride sport bikes much. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. We have merch in the description down below. Twin Stunts channel is in the description also. Till next time, I love you. Peace.